Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but fine.
Hi everybody, welcome to VICKYVILLE VLOGMAS day number 2. And this is actually in real time because this is actually what I have done today. I've done quite a bit and I think it's like noon. I went to Aldi and I also went to Michael's, so I'll be sharing that with you. I have things that I've already filmed, but I kind of wanted to like be on current day. So this is actually December 2nd, and I'll probably post this tonight after I just put it up, or I might edit it. I think I'm gonna edit it because I have what I want to include today. You know, you go to bed and you're like, oh, that's a great idea. And then you sit back and you go, shoot, I don't have time. So we'll see. I may run out of time, but I do want to bring you fun content because I love Vlogmas. And I just love like everybody's just a regular day in the life. And this is actually my day in the life. So I'm going to show you my haul really fast. Now, this is just food that I'm making for today. I usually will buy like the whole, like for 2 weeks, but today I just bought for today. Maybe tomorrow is dinner and lunch. So let me go ahead and share that with you now. And so first off, this isn't a necessity, but they had these dog sweaters that I thought they were so cute, and it was for Betty, and they never have extra large. So I was like, and look at it's like plaid. So I'm like, oh my gosh, Betty needs to have that. So we got lettuce. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make. And then I just got a whole bunch of canned things. Like I got refried beans. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bowl for me and the girls, black beans, and then I'm gonna make like nachos or something easy. And then I got 2 cans of tuna because my husband loves a tuna sandwich. Like he could eat that every single day. Then I got a can of corn. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make like some type of a fun bowl. And then el pato. This is like a staple in my house. We use that on everything. And then this is just the Aldi brand of Rotel. And so I think that's gonna be fun. So that was bag number 1. I did get a whole big old bag of Idaho potatoes because if you have potatoes, you can make so many things. Like you can make homemade French fries, you could make mashed potatoes, you could make, what else? Scallop potatoes, you can make hash browns, you can make, oh wow, just like we do this thing where we have like potatoes and green chili and cheese, and it's so good. So it's always a nice easy side, or even just a baked potato just on its own. So woo, that was the potatoes. Okay, then I'm gonna make this in our bowl today. Me and the girls are trying to kind of like curtail. We went ham in November and we're like, okay, we gotta take it back a notch. So I think I'm gonna do that. They opened up. Oh, darn it. I did get some blueberries because I do enjoy having like a little morning granola Greek yogurt moment. So I got that. I was gonna get strawberries, but you know what happens is I always buy too much and then it goes bad. So I was like thinking maybe this week I'll go like every other day to the market and just buy what I want to make for dinner. I don't know. I got some Mexican cheese for the nachos. I got some, what are these? Poblano chilies because I'm gonna roast them for mine and the girls' bowl. I got some onions. What else? Cilantro. I'm just gonna throw that on the bowl with some onions. I could eat that like on everything. I love that combination. I got some zucchini. Definitely gonna add that to the bowl. Oh, I just got some like little bite-sized potatoes. I thought tomorrow maybe I'll do something in the crock pot. Let's see. I don't know. And I got 2 avocados. I'll share with you what it looks like too. And let me know if you're into this. I don't know. I know I love like crafting and I love fashion and stuff, but I also enjoy cooking, and so let me know if this is like interesting. These little rolls, I usually do this for my husband's tuna sandwich. So we'll do that. I got some tomatoes, some celery, because I like this. Celery's always good in anything too. If you have celery, carrots, and onions, I think it just adds every flavor. I got some chicken. What are these? Chicken thighs. I was thinking of, my mom makes this amazing chicken and I love it. My husband and my son don't like it, but you know, hey. And then I got some ground beef. So I'm going to do something with all this. I'm gonna put it away and I'm gonna share with you the finished result, because I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it for me and Scarlett because she's home right now. And then we'll just eat on it even for dinner, because it's just easier getting it done right now because I have a lot to do. Because what I really wanna do, and I don't know if I'm gonna get to it, like I said, but what I wanna share with you is I wanna cook, and then I wanna try to get to changing over my fall clothes in my bedroom to my Christmas outfits, because I've been like just getting like this. I found in my closet because I think it's one of the newer thrifted items that I had, so it was in my closet. But I wanted, like, I have so much Christmas stuff that I need to go into battleground of my garage because it's crazy, and I want to bring it all up and, you know, switch it out, and I want to take you along for that. So hopefully I will do that. I'll have time. It is right now 12:50. I gotta cook, then I'm gonna try to do that, and then it'll be Vlogmas day number 2 done. So let's see. Also, I have Michael's haul. I'll share that with you in between, maybe when I get to my bedroom. So let's do this. All right, I'll be back. So here is all the goodies that I made, and we are gonna make our bowls now, but I wanted to share with you really fast. Look at these amazing vintage rooster dishes. So my husband's Aunt Janice and his Uncle Dennis had come over on Sunday, and so Kelly's grandma, she collected these dishes, and her and her husband would go on eBay and they would find like a lot of really neat pieces. And so Janice was like, I know you love dishes. And she had already given Scarlett a few like mugs or steins, I think. And so she just said, you know, I know you enjoy them. And she said, I wanted to give them to you. So, oh my gosh, I can't. They are so cute. Like, I picked up these. I find them at like the thrift store or like vintage antique places, but okay. Anyways, I digress. I was just wanting to share with you that. But okay, so there's the ground beef. That is the black beans where I put some rotel in. That's kind of like, I made a lot, but like we could eat from that for like probably tomorrow as well. Here are the sweet potatoes. I roasted the poblano chilies. There's some avocado, and my cousin Bobby made this, and I'm gonna try it out. Homemade salsa. My uncle said it's really hot, which I enjoy. So yay, bon appetit. This is gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner today, Scarlett. Okay? But so let's go ahead and enjoy this, and then I'll show you what the bowl looks like. So yay, okay. All right, here is the finished product. I'm just gonna add the salsa, but doesn't that look so yummy and hearty? So I am excited, and Scarlett is making hers. What do you think, Scarlett?
It looks good.
And Betty's like, oh, I smell something delicious. Mm-hmm. But yeah, we're trying to like kind of do better because we were kind of going crazy during Thanksgiving. But it was fun, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Tell them if you're going to have your YouTube.
Yeah, me and Jules are going to get it together.
We want to see. There's Betty. Betty. Hi. She always wants lunch. Okay, let's go ahead and enjoy lunch and breakfast and dinner.
Heck yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so we are in my bedroom and I need to change out my fall clothes into my Christmas clothes. And I had to put my hair up, you guys, because if you know me, I don't like my hair in my face, and I had just dyed my hair yesterday, so I was like, ooh, I'm gonna wear it down, but I don't like wearing my hair down, so bear with me with these wild buns. Okay, so I'm gonna start off, I guess over here. Can you still see me? Okay. And what I usually do is I'll look to see, yeah, this, no, probably that's like more fall. Not these are definitely fall. I already wore this. This was super cute. So I will get rid of that. I know, I wish that I could like have all of the like really nice hangers, but I have clothes everywhere, so I'm just like, okay, it is what it is. Okay, this dress I never did wear, and I feel like I could make it Christmassy. So I think I'm gonna keep this one here in the, this one is it too summery? But it is red and green. Like I could wear a turtleneck. I think I'm gonna keep that too because I haven't worn it. This is so funny, you guys. So I had ordered this for Disneyland. I think I had ordered it on Shein, and they're like these, like, you know, fun, they're shorts. And then just this top that it's a set. Well, I guess I had clicked twice. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I have two of these now, but I thought that it would be, you know, kind of fun to have two, I guess. So is that more summery? But I think I could wear it with like tights. I think I'm gonna keep it. Like that's why I have so many things and then I never. Okay, this is just like a workout outfit. I'll go ahead and put that there. This is a red. I think I should keep this. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that. These are fall. This is fall. And some of these I probably will donate to because that's more springy. Or could this be like Christmassy if I wore, like one day if I wanted to wear like a pastel something. That's kind of fun, right? My friend Pam, she always makes Christmas so cute and she does it so pastel-y. No, I think I will not do that. This is fall. Oh my gosh, I love this dress. This is my favorite brand from Macy's. It's the Avec La Fille, I believe. And I had seen this, like I never buy it retail, but I had been watching it. And look at the sleeves. And finally, it got on sale. And I think I paid, yeah, $34 for it when it was originally $139. So I'm going to keep this out because I do think I will wear that for Christmas just because it's so cute. That's fall. I did get this set right here, and this could definitely be spring. You guys, such a nice set. I think it's, yeah, Liz Claiborne, $5 each. $5, brand new at JCPenney's. Okay, this is all fall, so I will definitely put that in bins. This is kind of a fun thrifted dress. I feel like I could wear like colored tights with it, with like high boots, and make it Christmas, so I'm gonna keep that. I already wore this quite a few times. This is like one of my favorite rompers from Anthropologie. I did splurge on this. Like if I get something and I pay, I think it was on sale, but it was still quite full price. It's a romper and it's shorts, but it like is a bubble skirt looking, and I love that, but I've already worn that. Oh, just like a skater dress. That could be comfortable. This is cute. I don't think I've worn it yet, so I could definitely save that. Okay, as you can see, this is going to take quite a bit. I just wanted to kind of share with you like my process. I'm going to go through the whole thing. Then I'm going to go into the garage and I'm going to pull out all of my green and red stuff because this is going to take quite a bit. And then I'm going to fold all this stuff in, fold it up. Someday, soon, because my husband's like, we got to clean that garage. I'm like, yes, we do. But I want to get like racks and have it, like I have one rack in there right now and it's totally curated for summer. And what my intention was that I was going to be able to like have this, but it's not a lot of space. And then I was going to be able to go downstairs and like pull as well. But it just got so messy that I never even go in there. And that's just a dumb use of space when it could be so organized and like work in working condition and like nice. And I just have to like buckle down and do it. Now, obviously I'm not going to be able to do that right now because there's so much to do for Christmas. I have to still take down fall, which I'm going to do with you tomorrow. Then I have to put it away, and then I'm gonna go into the attic and take down all of Christmas. And hopefully, I'm hoping, guys, I'm praying, pray for me, please, that I will be done by this weekend, Saturday or Sunday, and then it'll be all complete. But it's gonna be a work in progress. This is Vlogmas Day 2. I just wanted to share with you kind of a day in the life of what it goes on. I hope you enjoyed it. I will share with you the finished product tomorrow because this is going to be an all-nighter, I already know. So I just wanted to say thank you. What is that? Thank you, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow. So everybody, keep it crafty. Your girl VICKYVILLE loves you. Bye. Bye.